Hi, this is Jackie from Jangle Arts and Designs, and today I want to share with you a little gift I made with the scraps and leftovers I had from the Visions of Nightshade kit by Stacy McDaniel of Crafty Dragon Creations. I will also link her Etsy shop and details in the description below, as well as the rest of the design team's social media links in the Linktree link in the description below. Well, this is not a fancy pouch. I call it a pouch. It isn't fancy. It's just the spur of the moment idea I got. So yeah, I made a pocket and added this cat tag in here. I love the cat image a lot. I have a cat and I just find it adorable. And on the sides, I embellished it with embossed paper. Then when I turn around the pouch, here we have a flip type of pocket, and I've got an envelope that is part of the kit that I've stuck in here. And on the back I also used embossed paper. Inside the pocket we've got a few gifts. Now the first gift I made was this skeleton tag. You can see here's the skeleton part above my fingers, and I made this from plastic mesh used for fencing, and I stuck it in between the two cut out tag parts, glued it in there and inked the tag and added a bit of flowers and bead, and here's a lovely tag. And then on the back side we could stencil or write a note or paste some sentiments. The ideas are actually endless. You could actually make something that goes through the mesh. I wanted to do that, but I didn't actually have something at that moment. So you can add string through here or plant leaves so that it looks like a plant that is going around the mesh, finding its way upwards. Then I also made a little booklet, and this is a die cut decoration, and on the inside I used another page of the kit as a flip page, and you can write on both. And on this side I made a belly band from the background page and added my own die cut, and then I made a little tag. On the back you can also write a little note, and you can write on these pages too. And here's more space to write down something, a memory, or put a quote or whatever. And then the last thing I made of these parts of scraps was this booklet. Now there were people asking me to please make a tutorial of the booklet. I intend to do that. I usually make the booklet from paper bags, but this booklet I decided to make from tags that I printed out of the kit. There were 3 tags of the same size on the same page, so I actually turned it into a booklet. I did not print it on cardboard, so I had to glue it to cardboard or cardstock. On the left hand side we've got a pocket with a lovely L card, and you can also decorate it or write a note there. Here we have another pocket with cards very eager to show themselves. And isn't this a beautiful little warm house where special memories are made? That's what it reminds me of. And this looks nearly like a ticket, and you can also embellish it further or use it for a paperclip tag. There are endless things you could do with it. And then on this side I just decorated it with my cat ticket and the book, because these are 2 of my favorite things. And then on this side I added this lovely green bottle. It's a favorite of mine. I love the colors. And added a button just to spice it up a bit. And then I did something out of the ordinary. I added a tag on the back side of the booklet, so it can actually work as a paper clip, and you can stick something in here. This is a bit large, but if we take the tag we can actually put it there and it is kept in place. And then I also embellished the closures of the booklet. So that's what I made with the scraps and bits, and I hope you enjoyed the ideas and that you will be inspired to make some lovely gifts for your friends and family. Happy crafting till we meet again.